All right. Another session, retail therapy. We got one, two, three, four, five of the Disney Tops Wonder 2025. We'll just see if we can get anything great here. Do we have our penny sleeves and our top loaders to see if we have any hits? Any good hits, of course, we will send off to, I guess, PSA or BGS, depending on the card, right? It always depends on the card and the price, how much is worth. What do you think is more valuable? Is PSA more valuable, or is BGS more valuable? I guess it's kind of hard to tell, like, what really determines that in the market. And I do want to say, because this is tops, more than likely these will. Dang, I can't find scissors. Well, we'll do what we can. Well, I lost my thought. I do want to say, because these are tops. Okay, no, these aren't your normal tops, or like your tops for like sports cards tops. Those sports cards tops are, Jesus, they are like foiled a little bit differently, right? Where your fingerprints can smudge. Let's just see if we get anything nice. We have The Witch, Kronk. We've got Megara. Let's find some nice lighting here. Here we go. Sebastian, Flora, Fairy Godmother. Let's just look at the back. Alright, as Cinderella cried over the cruelty of her stepsisters in the backyard of their home, the self-described embodiment of her hope, the fairy godmother appeared before her with the wave of her magic wand and her trademark phrase, "Bibbidi bobbidi boo." The fairy godmother transformed Cinderella's torn dress into a ball gown, and readied her to meet her prince. So 25 cards in the set. Geppetto, Giulietta. Alright, make some space here. Yeah, I need to organize my desk. Darn it. Kristoff, Mr. Merlin. Here comes our holo right in the middle. Belle. Just standard holofoil Belle. It's kind of nice. Pretty neat. The holofoil extends to the borders. Ooh, so we have a bunch of comments, and we have our holos now. Do you want to say should they pick up smudges? No, they don't, but still be very careful. Cinderella boards her ball gown. We do have a villain. Maleficent. Magic Mirror. Genie. King Triton. Iago. Tafiti. Merlin. Queen of Hearts. Jafar. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 holos in the pack, in the set. And they're right all in the middle. So let's just see how it does. Let's just keep going. We got Mr. Maui, King Fergus, Tiana, Governor Ratcliffe, Beast, King Triton, Raya, and we've got Bruno, Olaf, Prince Naveen. Here comes our holos, Pocahontas, another Belle. Oh, Jesus. And we have Mr. Bruni, is that his name? I didn't think that was his name. The ice elemental or fire elemental? Bruni. I thought it was Bernie or something, but I guess. Our villains. Looks like you have 2 holos and the villain. Lady Tremaine. Magic Carpet. Megara, Evil Queen, Jasmine, Mordu, Drizella, Prince Charming, Anna, Bruno, Pacha, Kronk, and security card. Oh, so security card in that pack. That's kind of weird. I'll have to find my scissors next time to make this a lot easier. Holy crap. Come on, can we pull something serialized or pull something nice? Ooh, Mr. Jiminy Cricket, Captain Hook, Prince Philip, Tafiti again, got the Witch. The Witch from where? Kingdom of Dunbruch. Oh, Merida. Oh yeah, Brave. Kronk, Megara, Sebastian, Flora, Fairy Godmother, Geppetto, Miss Tiana. Our villain is Gaston. We have Pain and Panic, Abuela, Hades, Arthur, Genie, King Triton, Iago, Tafiti, Merlin, Queen of Hearts, Jafar, and Dr. Facilier. Alright, we got 2 more packs left. So far, just regular things right now. So out of 5 packs, can we pull something good? I gotta look at the ratio. We have Cinderella, Hans, Rapunzel, Jafar, Abuela, Tamatoa, Mordu, Tiana Naveen, Emperor Kuzco, John Smith, Mulan. We have a scenario, Beast Castle. Let's just look at that. Beauty and the Beast. C9. Malagatho, I would think it's a V. Is it a V? No. And Grumpy. Then we have Yen Sid. Who is this guy from? Where's this guy from? Yen Sid, Sorcerer, Mickey Mouse. Oh, that's right. Right? From that, what's that movie of his? Where with the dancing broomsticks, maybe. Queen Eleanor, Raya, the Muses, the Witch, White Rabbit, Maleficent, Abuela, Flynn, Hades, and Arthur again. Alright, last pack. Can we pull something decent? Can there be a really big bend, a curve in this in this pack to let us know we pull something nice? Will we try and collect them all? I don't know, I just saw these and just randomly picked them up. Hopefully they're worth anything. I don't know. I guess they'll have it graded and we'll see how much they're worth. Lady Tremaine, Cheshire Cat, Evil Queen, Merlin, White Rabbit, Giulietta, Kristoff, Fairy Godmother, Geppetto, Sebastian, Flora, Cinderella again. Here we go. Whoa, look at this. Miss Tinkerbell. Sticker. Topps Enchanted sticker. Ooh, this is pretty neat. We'll definitely send that one to get graded. We got Jafar, Chenpo, Pacho, Kronk, Cheshire, Cogsworth, Tamatoa, Prince, Yen Sid, Queen Eleanor, Raya, and the Muses. Well, let's just look at the back. Doesn't necessarily say. No, there's no I think one funny thing I thought on this was let's just look at it. I should have to show you. Alright, so it says Topps does not in any manner make any representations to whether its cards will attain any future value. Topps cannot guarantee that counterfeit or unauthorized cards will not exist in the marketing without limitation, sequentially numbered and or hand numbered cards. So they're just saying, hey, patent pending or buyer beware. Alright. Couple villains. I think our coolest one that we got here was our sticker card. You know, otherwise, I mean, this Beast Castle is pretty cool looking too. So we'll get some cards graded out, and we'll just go from there. Thanks for this stopping by for another short video. Or another cool thing is this anti-theft card thingy. I'm gonna have to send this. Will they grade this? I have no idea. Do you know if they'll grade this since it came through a pack? Technically, it's a card. It's a card within the pack. Will they grade it? Well, if I do and it comes back as something, I'll let you know. All right, until next time, keep ripping them. Hopefully, you get some good cards.